What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a new helmet unboxing. I got something super lightweight, bicycle helmet for the summer. All the ones that I tried were kind of crappy and they looked too big on my head. So I found something that looked slim, close to the head, from Bell. Very good brand for motorcycle helmets. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here and check it out. This is called the Racket, the Bell Racket. Nice box, padding inside the box, a sticker and an owner's manual, and here it is. Nice and basic. They have it in black and white. As you can see, it covers down to its full head, kind of covers all the way down past the ear, but there's some slots there so you can have both airflow and you can hear, and there's some slots here and here for keeping cool. So hopefully this will be good in the summer. It's a quick snap right here, basic bike helmet, closure. You can see the inside is pretty basic, just some light padding, and then the actual protective material is like a hardened styrofoam. So I'm gonna try it on and see how it is. Oh yeah, minimal branding too. There's a little like rubber thing here that says Bell, and then just the logo in the front, nothing in the back. Not bad. Not bad. I'll have to see how it looks in the mirror. It feels like it's close. Yeah. It feels comfortable, which is really all that matters. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.